Ginger adds a zesty and fresh flavor to food and drinks. While it can't boost your metabolism and burn belly fat on its own, it can become part of a healthy diet and promote healthy weight loss. Ginger might be able to reduce your appetite, meaning you can eat less and still feel full. To try reducing your appetite, drink 1 cup of ginger water or tea before each meal. Ginger can also add a lot of flavor to savory dishes. Use it to season lean protein and vegetables to make delicious and healthy meals. Adding fresh ginger into your diet. Bake salmon in the oven with fresh ginger for a source of lean protein. For 1 pound, 0.45 kilograms, of salmon, combine 1 grated 2 inches, 1 centimeter, long piece of ginger with 5 cloves of garlic, 1-1/2 tablespoon, 4 milliliters, of soy sauce, ½ tablespoon, 4 milliliters, of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, of honey, 1 teaspoon, 9 milliliters, of sesame oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper in a bowl. Pour the marinade over the salmon and bake it in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 191 degrees Celsius, for 15 minutes. If you have time, marinate the salmon in the sauce for 30 minutes in the fridge before baking it. Serve the salmon with a salad to add some vegetables to the meal. Glaze roasted vegetables in ginger and maple syrup for a flavorful side dish. Cut 6 pounds, 7 kilograms, vegetables into 1 inch, 5 centimeters, square chunks. Toss the vegetables in a combination of ½ cup, 120 milliliters, of olive oil, 1/3 cup, 79 milliliters, of maple syrup, 1 grated 2 inches, 1 centimeter, long piece of ginger, plus a dash of salt, pepper, and nutmeg. Roast the vegetables on a baking sheet in an oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 218 degrees Celsius, for 30 minutes. Good vegetables for roasting include carrots, Brussels sprouts, squashes, beets, parsnips, cauliflower, and broccoli. Make Hawaiian-inspired lettuce cups with ginger sauce. To make the ginger sauce, combine ½ cup, 120 milliliters, of honey, ½ cup, 120 milliliters, of hoisin sauce, 1/4 cup, 59 milliliters, of soy sauce, 1/4 cup, 59 milliliters, of ketchup, 4 garlic cloves, 1 grated 4 inches, 10 centimeters, long piece of ginger, and 1 teaspoon, 4 grams, of Chinese 5-spice powder. Add the sauce to 4 pounds, 1.8 kilograms, of pulled pork and serve small portions on bib lettuce leaves. For a vegetarian version of this recipe, use tofu instead of pork. Freeze any leftover meat to heat up later for a quick meal. Use fresh ginger in homemade dressing for salads. For a quick and easy ginger dressing, combine 3 minced cloves of garlic, 1 2 inches, 1 centimeter, piece of minced ginger, 3/4 cup, 180 milliliters, of olive oil, 1/3 cup, 79 milliliters, of rice vinegar, 1/4 cup, 59 milliliters, of soy sauce, 1/4 cup, 59 milliliters, of water, and 3 tablespoons, 44 milliliters, of honey in a large jar. Shake the jar well to combine the ingredients. You may need to heat the mixture for about a minute in the microwave to dissolve the honey. You can also use this dressing as a marinade for meat, tofu, or vegetables. Add ginger to your soup to give it an extra kick. Add 2 to 4 tablespoons, 30 to 60 grams, of ginger to a full pot of soup while you are cooking it. Fresh ginger adds a flavorful zing to chicken or turkey noodle soup, butternut squash soup, or Asian-inspired soups. Also try adding ginger to soups that you buy pre-made. Stir-fry vegetables in ginger sauce for a weeknight meal. Stir-fry whatever vegetables you have on hand in a sauce made of 1/4 cup, 59 milliliters, of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, of honey, 3 minced garlic cloves, and 1 tablespoon, 15 grams, of grated ginger. Add red pepper flakes if you like more heat. Some vegetables that work well for stir-fry include carrots, mushrooms, pea pods, bell peppers, onion, and zucchini. Add a lean protein of your choice for a more hearty stir-fry. Try tofu, chicken breast, or ground turkey. Add ginger into homemade juice or smoothies to give them a fresh flavor. If you make your own fresh squeezed juice or blend your own smoothies, try adding in a little bit of ginger. For a single serving, start with a piece about 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters, long, and use more or less depending on how long you like the flavor. Add a handful of greens like spinach or kale to get a serving of vegetables, as well. Drinking ginger water or tea. Grate or thinly slice fresh ginger into boiling water. Add lemon juice, turmeric, black pepper, or cayenne for more flavor. Steep the ginger in boiling water for 10 minutes and then strain the water. Add a little honey if you can't drink ginger tea unsweetened. Hydrate with ginger water rather than soda or other sugary drinks.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,